Ready to unlock a whole new world of decentralized finance by bridging your MetaMask wallet with the power of Binance? In this guide, we'll walk you through connecting MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain, transferring tokens, and diving into the exciting world of dApps, all in just a few easy steps. First, if you haven't already, head over to MetaMask.io and download the MetaMask extension for your browser. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a new wallet, making sure to securely store your secret recovery phrase. This is crucial for accessing your funds. Now, we need to connect MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain. Click the Network drop-down menu at the top of MetaMask and select Add Network. A new tab will open in your browser. Find the fields for network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. Fill these fields with the Binance Smart Chain mainnet details. You can find these on Binance's official website or in the video description. Double check for accuracy. Then click Save. You successfully added Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask. Next, let's transfer some tokens from Binance to your MetaMask wallet. On Binance, go to your wallet and select the token you want to withdraw. Click Withdraw and paste your MetaMask wallet address from the Binance Smart Chain network into the recipient address field. Ensure you select Binance Smart Chain, also known as BEP20, as the network. Carefully review the details and confirm the withdrawal. The transfer time may vary depending on network congestion. With tokens in your MetaMask wallet on Binance Smart Chain, you can now interact with a vast array of decentralized applications. Explore platforms like PancakeSwap, DeFi Finance, or Venus Protocol to trade, stake, and lend your crypto. And that's it. You're now equipped to seamlessly navigate the world of DeFi using MetaMask and Binance Smart Chain. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and happy DeFi.